Hey everyone, Muriel here in the craft room, another day, which really makes me so happy. So I wanted to come and show you guys what I've been working on. I mentioned to you that I purchased some bags from Hobby Lobby because I wanted to do some DIY party bags, and that's just what these are. I had no idea before I started how I was going to alter them, but I started looking in drawers that I had and just kind of pulled out a bunch of stuff, and I pulled out some Mambi stickers, and these worked perfect. So I'm going to show you what I created. I specifically made 5 of them. I'm going to make some more because I like giving you know, a gift in a bag. I don't ever want to have to buy a bag from the store. They're too expensive, and I just think putting your touch to a gift bag sends a message. So that's what I did. So let me move my sign. And today I'm using my video camera because yesterday I was using my cell phone. I don't like how it looked. You know, when I bought my new phone, I had an 8. I gave it to my daughter. She gave me her 6. So I'm just not digging the cell phone. But she'll be back here in a couple of months and we can figure things out. So in the meantime, I'm going to be using my video camera. And these are the bags that I altered. These are just regular white. I don't know what size they are. Maybe a 8x4, 8x4.5 size bag. And I got them at Hobby Lobby. And there's probably 7 left, and I've altered 5. So, but I'm sure you have these in your stash. They also, I mean, Michael's has them. They come in all colors, but I'm working with white this time. And this is what I pulled out of my stash. And I know you guys have this because I have had it for the longest time. I thought I was going to make signs with it, but this is even better. So, like I say, it's so easy to use. Just peel and stick. And there's 8 sheets. And this is what is on them. So you just kind of peel them off and you stick them on the bag. And I added a little bit of extra stuff. And I also put tissue paper in the bag, so it'll really give you the look of party gift bag. They're pretty youthful, but I just think, you know, people that I give gifts to, it doesn't matter. I mean, if they're turning 50, they will still love the bag. So I used some of these. Again, these are Me and My Big Idea Mambi stickers, or Mambi sheets. I use some of these pom-poms. I just keep them in this jar. You get these at Hobby Lobby as well. All colors, blue, red, purple, green, pink. And they have a sparkly ness to them. So they looked fun and party looking. And these are, I want to say Teresa Collins, but yes, I believe these are Teresa Collins. So it was a sheet of birthday words, party, fun, lovely, wish, and some others that I used. And then I used 1 or 2 of these Martha Steward stickers. These are flowers. Now these really don't look, they look more farmhouse or country, but I managed to pull out 1 or 2 of them because I've always liked these, but I've just haven't had the opportunity to craft and to use them, but I did. And then I used some of these enamel dots. Okay, and then this is a pack as well, but it has some hearts and some stars on it. So I know I have others, but right now I don't know where they are, so I just grabbed what was available. And the actually, I'm showing you this, but this is from another project. But anyway, I'll be showing you some cards that I created using this Party Time 6x6 paper pad by Echo Park, but we'll put that over there. And then this is a bunch of tissue paper that I've had for a long, long time. If you're like me, anytime I go to a birthday party, like Christmas time, I sit around and everyone opens their gifts and I just sit there and go, can I take the tissue paper? And besides the ones that are folded neatly, the rest of them have been, I've just collected from various parties where I just take the tissue. If the gift was given to me, I keep the tissue paper. And I just keep it in this plastic suitcase that I got at Costco a long time ago. It came with a bunch of gift bags. And that's where I keep all my tissue paper. So I'm finally getting the chance to use it. the colors that kind of matched up. So if you have some tissue paper that if you do the same thing, then that's just what you should use. And I just use that so you can get the idea of with the bag open, get a real good feel for it. So here is the first bag, and these words are really large, so I had to kind of cut and make things kind of fit on here. So you have let's party. I have some of the emoji stickers that was on the where's that sheet at? On this sheet here. Okay. And then the pom-poms, and I have the pom-poms stuck down with big glue dots, so they're not going anywhere. And then I have this cute paper clip here. It's shaped like a gift. And again, some fun paper stuck inside. And on the back, I have this word crazy. And I have the word enjoy with some more of the glitter heart stickers. So it says, let's party, crazy. So the front of the bag and the back of the bag are both altered. So I think that will be cute. Here is another one. This one says party like a rock star, and you can see here where I use the Martha Steward flower sticker. And then this is some trims that I purchased from a Hobby Lobby from Paper Studio. And then the rest of the bags, I have these cute paper clips. I think someone gifted these to me from Michael's. This is an ice cream with in a sugar cone. So I just have that there. I have some orange paper tucked inside. And then on the back, I just have hip hip hooray, another one of those large stickers. And then this one here says good times. Now for the tags, so that the person will know who gave it to them, these are some Martha Steward tags that I've had forever that are colorful and springy and fun. So I am going to be using these. I may, cut the twine a little shorter and just raise it up like that when it's time to give the gift. But that's how I'm going to be using those. So I'm using lots of stuff I've had in my stash for over a year, finally putting it to use. Here's one that's super, super cute. It says we can dance forever, and it says oh yeah. Again, I have some of the sparkly glitter pom-pom balls. Here's a cute ice cream cone paper clip, some more of this fun paper, and on the back it just says strike a pose. And another one of Martha Steward tags where I can write the to and from. And this is very dimensional. If you can see, the white part is raised up on, probably duplicated the paper, but it's pretty dimensional. Okay, so that's that one. And it'll have some weight to it once I put the gift in it. And then this one here just reeks of birthday. This one here says happy, happy day. And then there are more pom-poms. The pom-poms, like I said, in multi, colors. So I tend to use the yellow, pinks, and greens because I thought that came out of the word here, happy, happy day. Here I have a donut paper clip. And then I have some pink and yellow paper. And then on the back, I have the glittered word cheers. And again, another Martha Steward tag. These are really simple to make, but I think they really jazz up a gift for anyone's birthday. And then last is this one, and it says party like there is no tomorrow, happy birthday. Again, just using those stickers. There's another of Martha Steward flowers. Kind of blends, kind of doesn't, but I think it's still colorful and pretty. And again, some of the paper. And then this one here is a cupcake paper clip. And then some emoji stickers on this bag as well. And the Martha Steward tag. So that's what I've been doing. I feel really good. I at least have 5 bags ready to go in the event I need to give a gift. Even if it's a candle, if it's some hand lotion, if it's some candy, if it's anything to get in this handmade bag, just says it all. So that's what I've been doing. Again, I'll be back with some cards that I've made. I ordered some more product for making some more cards, so I have 2 to share, and I'll probably do that maybe this weekend. Go ahead and bring those and show those to you. But I do appreciate you watching. If you have any questions regarding any of these bags, please let me know. I will leave a description again of the name of the stickers that I used. And again, these are just regular bags. If you have craft bags, they'll work with those as well. But I just thought white would be a lot cuter because it brings out the colors that are all in these stickers. So until my next video, you guys, take care of yourselves. Bye now.